discuss questions from ellipse asked in February 2021. Let us look at the board. First question, which was asked in 25th February. Just have a look at the question first. So if the curve x square plus 2y square is equals to 2 intersects the line x plus y is equals to 1 at 2 points P and Q, then angle subtended by the line segment PQ at origin is, and this question is asked in 25th February. Our task is to find the angle subtended by the line segment PQ at origin. What are the P and Q? P comma Q are the intersection points of this curve with the line. This curve is basically ellipse, we know it. అయితే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయడం కోసం ఎలిప్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మనం యూజ్ చేయాల్సింది ఏమీ లేదు. ఎలిప్స్ కర్వ్ ఇచ్చారు కానీ మనం ఎలిప్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ యూజ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా ఇక్కడ పెద్దగా లేదు. ఓకే, సో కర్వ్ ఈజ్ ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ ద లైన్ అండ్ యాంగిల్ సపరేటెడ్ బై ద లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఎట్ ద ఆరిజిన్. ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మోస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లీ మనం పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ దగ్గర చేసుకుంటాం. It comes under the process of homogenization. Okay, so usually, so if this is origin, okay, and for this is ellipse, you just take it, and x plus y is equal to 1 is the line this. So mark these intersection points as P comma Q. For suppose if you say this is origin, this origin with the line segment PQ. See, joins origin with P, join origin with Q. Okay. And angle made by this line segment PQ at origin we need to calculate. And we did this type of problems at homogenization. That means first of all you need to find out the combined equation for these two lines. Combined equation for these two lines. Then use angle between pair of straight lines formula to find the required angle. So what I am going to use the process of homogenization. That in the sense we need to make with same degree for the curve. Start, what's the curve? Given x square plus 2y square is equals to 2. So this is of degree 2, this is of degree 2, this is just constant of degree 0. You just try to make it of degree 2 in the process of homogenization. So x square plus 2y square is equals to 2 into 1 square. Okay. And now what we need to do? We need to replace 1 with this equation x plus y is equals to 1. So x square plus 2y square is equals to 2 into 1 is this x plus y. So replace 1 with x plus y whole square. Now just try to simplify this. X square plus 2y square is equals to 2x square plus 4xy plus 2y square. You just cut everything aside, send everything that side. X square plus 4xy is equals to 0. That's it. X square plus 4xy is equals to 0. So x square plus 4xy is equals to 0 means what? Yeah, simply there is a chance of picking x. Okay, so this is nothing but x into x plus 4y is equals to 0. X into x plus 4y is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 is one line, x plus 4y is equals to 0 is the other line. You just split it into two lines and then try to find the angle between those two. Okay, see, this is origin, this is P, this is Q. Origin with P, one line is forming. Origin with Q, we have another line here. Those two lines are just simply these two. Okay, I am arranging this diagram for the space concern. When you observe here, ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ ఆ టూ లైన్స్ ఏమవుతాయి? ఇప్పుడు x is equals to 0 ఒక లైన్, x plus 4y is equals to 0 ఇంకొక లైన్. x is equals to 0 అంటే y axis కదా, అండ్ x plus 4y is equals to 0 అంటే okay, it's a general line. What is the slope of this line? x plus 4y is equals to 0. మనం స్లోప్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే this is simply minus 1 by 4, right? minus a by b కదా. సో ఇక్కడ స్లోప్ యాంగిల్ మేడ్ బై దిస్ లైన్ విత్ పాజిటివ్ x axis is theta. So this red color part is theta. We need to find out angle between this y axis and this line. So this line is this and y-axis is this. So we need to find this green color angle now. Okay. So how to calculate that green color angle? So I am erasing this for the space. ఆ యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే సో టోటల్లీ దిస్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ పై బై 2 దట్ వాస్ క్లియర్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎంతైతే యాంగిల్ ఉంటుందో ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే యాంగిల్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఇక్కడ ఎంతైతే యాంగిల్ ఉంటుందో ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే యాంగిల్ ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ తీటా కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా మళ్ళీ తీటానే ఉంటుంది. సేమ్ క్వాంటిటీ సేమ్ కాబట్టి ఈ గ్రీన్ కలర్ పార్ట్ కూడా తీటానే. సో అంటే మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సిన యాంగిల్ కూడా తీటానే. కాబట్టి రిక్వైర్డ్ యాంగిల్ యాజ్ ఆస్క్డ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ tan inverse of -1/4. tan inverse of -1/4. సో ఆ tan inverse of -1/4 ని ఫర్దర్గా మనం ఏదైనా సింప్లిఫై చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేయాలి. tan inverse of -1/4 అంటే ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు? సో దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ ఫ్రమ్ 26 February session. Let L be a common tangent to the curve 4x square plus 9y square is equals to 36 and another curve 2x whole square plus 2y whole square is equals to 31. So first equation is ellipse. What is that equation? If we divide with 36, x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equals to 1 is one equation. And the other equation is this circle x square plus y square is equals to 31/4. These two have a common tangent. Let that common tangent as some y is equals to mx plus c. Common tangent of these two is y is equals to mx plus c. Our task is to find the value of m. So as a tangent condition, if y is equals to mx plus c is a tangent for ellipse, its condition is c square is equals to a square m square plus b square. Whereas for ellipse, circle. For circle, what is the common tangent condition? C square is equals to A, B both are equals to R, right? So here this is nothing but R square of 1 plus M square. See, since y is equal to mx plus c is a common tangent for these two, so we need to equalize that c square in both the situations. So finally arrange it. Therefore, from this a square is 9, m square plus b square is this 4 is equals to, and second situation r square is directly this 31/4 into 1 plus m square. We need to solve this to get the value of m. So just do cross multiplication. 36 m square plus 16 is equals to 31 plus 31 m square. If you solve this, 36 minus 31 which is 5m square is equals to 31 minus 16. 31 minus 16 is 15, right? And then m square is equals to 3. Since the question is about mentioning the square of the slope of the tangent, our answer is 3 at the end. Just have a look. So we need to know the common tangent, the tangent conditions for ellipse as well as for circle to solve this problem.